to my channel. I'm so excited. This video is sponsored by All Yours Virgin Remy Hair. This is actually 2 bundles and 1 closure. So this is 2 bundles, a 12 and a 14-inch bundle, along with a 12-inch silk-based closure. Now, I've never worn a silk-based closure before. However, the closure is pretty complicated. I wouldn't say complicated, but it's a bit difficult to manipulate. Not really like the lace closure, but the silk-based closure seems to be a lot more stronger and durable than the lace closure, and it seems like you'll have this closure for a much longer time. Welcome back to my channel. Like I said before, don't forget, go down and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because I'm sure there's a group of you that is watching this video right now that has your notifications turned on and you caught the notification. So all of those that are going to come and watch this video and the new subscribers, you're going to have to click that notification bell, because that notification bell will give you update. Like I said, the 2 bundles, I basically constructed this wig, and I'm going to show you a clip. There is 14, 12, and a 12-inch closure. I placed the 12-inch first, then the 14, then the 12-inch closure. I thought that this would not be enough hair. This is definitely enough hair for me to wear as a middle part, but I wouldn't wear it as a side part. Now, I did it as a middle part, and it came together beautifully, as you guys can see. Now, what I can say about the hair and the specs on the hair, pretty much this hair is a natural color. I did not dye the hair. I did not color the hair. None of that. This is the natural color of the hair. I've worn it off and on for a few weeks. Any tangling? Now, there is minimum tangling, of course, because it is curly hair. However, the curly hair is very manageable. Well, stay tuned for the video. Hopefully you guys love it. Hopefully you guys like it. And you're gonna see how I apply my wigs. Deuces.
Okay guys, I'm going to start off by using my wig grip. This helps my wig sit comfortably. I don't have any problems with the combs, elastic bands, nothing. I'm going to apply this, and I'm also going to link this in the description box for you to purchase. It helps my wigs from slipping back as well. Now from there, I'm going to take my handy dandy wig, and like I said, I had this on for a few days, testing it out, seeing if I really liked it. I didn't have any shedding. Now my cap is very easy to work with. It's very thin, nothing heavy, nothing too thick and tight around my nape, but it comes with an elastic inside, and you can adjust it that way rather than using a different type of band that you can't adjust. So now I'm going to put this on my head. I'm going to fit it, pull it down, do what I need to do, fix the front, line it up a bit, and that's it. I'm gonna then start to begin to spray in spurts with water, and we're gonna move from there, and then you're gonna see the products that I applied. And for those that are naturals, and I'm pretty sure most of you are, I actually love using products that don't work on my natural hair, on my weaves, especially my curly waves. So for example, this Latte and Define, I think it doesn't work as well as the other products in that Camiro's line. So I use this Latte Define on my curly weaves because it works well with curly hair. And to keep your hair lasting a much longer time, you can use pretty good products. It doesn't have to be expensive, but products that you would normally use on your hair you can, or you see that curly hair girls you use on their hair, you can use on your curly weave. So I apply this light gel. There's so many light gels. For example, wet line is a light gel. Anjaki's curl elongating gel is a light gel, as well as this curly jelly. You can also use, it's very simple, light, it doesn't have your hair crunchy, so I love using these type of gels on my hair. So I do the rake method on my wigs, and it makes it so much easier, and it helps your hair to kind of not be soaking wet. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you love this video. All links will be left in the description box below. Follow All Yours Virgin Remy Hair. They've been the GOAT in the Bahamas for many years. They started off the virgin hair lines in the Bahamas, and to be honest, these has been some of the best bundles of hair that I've had in a very long time. My straight hair and this curly hair is from All Yours Virgin Remy Hair. So don't forget to follow them. Go on their website, it will be linked in the description box below. This is the Burmese natural curly, and it is a very soft texture and very manageable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you all. Thanks for coming back. Bye.